Welcome back to the channel. Let's create a stunning tourism poster in Photoshop that will make everyone want to pack their bags. Open a new document in Photoshop. Drag and drop a panoramic landscape photo onto the canvas. Select the sky and replace it with a more dramatic cloud fly scale. Apply a warm golden or gradient map adjustment layer set to soft light. Now add the destination name in large, bold and elegant font. Apply a subtle inner glow layer style to the text. Add a short, inspiring tagline in smaller, contrasting fonts below the title. Place a semi-transparent rectangle behind the text layer for readability. Add a small, stylized location pin icon near the next. Use a soft brush on a new layer set to screen. Add